This chicken shawarma is incredibly flavorful, easy to prepare, and might just become your new favorite meal. Today I'll be showing you 2 ways to cook it, 2 ways to serve it, and even 2 great sauces, Toum and Tahini, that are traditional to serve with shawarma. So let's get started. To begin, thinly slice 2 chicken breasts and add them to a mixing bowl. This ensures the chicken cooks evenly and quickly. Next, for the marinade, add 2 tablespoons each of Greek yogurt and olive oil to the bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and the juice from half a lemon. Now for the spice blend, you will add half teaspoon each of coriander, paprika, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, cloves, salt, and black pepper. Always feel free to adjust the quantities to your preference. If you like more heat, add a little extra chili powder, or reduce the cardamom and the cloves if you don't like strong flavor. Don't worry if you are missing a spice or two. This recipe is versatile and you can still achieve a delicious result. Finally, grate 1 garlic clove directly into the bowl and combine all ingredients together, making sure the chicken is well coated. Marinate the chicken for at least an hour or ideally overnight to really let all those delicious flavors come together. The longer the better. Alright, let's now make toum, a vibrant and creamy Middle Eastern sauce made with just 4 basic ingredients. First, we will need a whole head of garlic, which is roughly 12 cloves. Peel them all. Now, each clove will have a small germ in the center. If the garlic is fresh, the germ will be white. As garlic ages, it develops a green sprout with a bitter taste. We will want to remove this sprout using the tip of a paring knife. Once peeled and cleaned, we will need the juice from 1 lemon, 1½ cups of neutral flavored oil like avocado, grapeseed, or sunflower oil, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, grab the tall, narrow container that comes with your immersion blender. Add the peeled garlic cloves, lemon juice, and salt. Then pour in half of the oil. Place the immersion blender in the container and turn it on without moving the blender at this point. As it blends, you will see the bottom turning white and fluffy. This is the oil emulsifying. Once you see this white color, pour the remaining oil on top of the garlic mixture and blend it again. Now move the blender around a bit to ensure everything is incorporated until you have a very thick texture. And you will have a beautiful creamy toum sauce. It's fantastic for dipping or adding it on your shawarma or anything else that needs a flavor boost. Now let's make another tasty sauce, tahini. For this recipe, we will need 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons of tahini paste, juice from half a lemon, and a little water to achieve a creamy consistency. We will also grate 1 garlic clove and add it to the mixture. Finally, season the sauce with a 1/4 teaspoon each of cumin, chili powder, and salt. Once all the ingredients are combined, mix them well, adding more water if needed to create the desired creamy texture. Refrigerate the tahini sauce until you are ready to enjoy it with your meal. Let's complement our meal with a flavorful spiced rice. Here what you will need: 1 cup of rinsed basmati rice, no soaking required. We will also use 1 tablespoon of butter and a 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric, paprika, cumin, and sea salt. Begin by heating the butter in a pan over medium-high heat. Add the rinsed rice and stir for a minute. This toasting step helps to achieve fluffy and separate grains. Next, add the spices and stir again to coat the rice with the flavors. Now pour in 1½ cups of water and bring the mixture to a boil. Once the water has been absorbed by the rice, reduce the heat, cover the pan with a lid, and simmer for 15 minutes. This will result in perfectly cooked, golden, and delicious spiced rice. Now that shawarma is marinated, we will explore 2 delicious cooking methods. First method is oven grilling. Transfer the marinated shawarma to an oven-safe dish and spread it out evenly. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, which can range from 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven offers a turbo grill setting with a fan, that's ideal as it will help to remove excess liquid and achieve a nice sear. Place the dish on the top rack directly under the broiler and cook for 15 minutes, flipping the shawarma pieces every 5 minutes for even browning. This method is perfect for larger batches as it's faster and easier. However, be mindful of overcooking, which can lead to dryness. Second method is skillet cooking. Heat a tablespoon of avocado oil or another high smoke point oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is very hot, add the shawarma pieces and cook, stirring occasionally until nicely browned. This is my preferred method. The shawarma is perfectly seared and offers more intense flavor, similar to the taste and aroma of restaurant-style shawarma cooked on vertical rotisserie, and even tastier. So here is the oven-broiled shawarma, and this is the skillet-cooked shawarma. Now let's assemble and enjoy our delicious shawarma. Gather all the ingredients we prepared earlier. For easy drizzling, I have transferred some tahini sauce to a squeeze bottle and kept some aside for dipping too. To build a wrap, you can use any type of a flatbread you prefer, pita, saj, or tortillas. Spread toum sauce on the bread, then add the chicken shawarma, some cucumber pickles, and a drizzle of tahini sauce. Then wrap the tortilla tightly. While saj bread is the traditional choice for shawarma, I wasn't able to find any saj bread today, so tortillas are a great substitute. Heat the wraps on a hot skillet or on a panini press if you have it, then cut the wrap in half and then each half in half again for bite-sized pieces. Second option, you can enjoy your shawarma over the flavored rice we prepared, with your favorite greens or salad on the side. Don't forget to drizzle the tahini and toum sauces for extra flavor. This shawarma recipe is bursting with flavor and sure to become a favorite. It's so good, easy, and honestly, it's tastier than any shawarma I have tried. Don't forget to try it with tahini and toum sauce for an authentic experience. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to support my channel's growth and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.